After all, we are
Yes,
Pahari,
right.
so that vibe matches.
Okay. So first of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Beena Negi. I'm from Uttarakhand. Currently, I'm staying in Gurugram with my sister and looking for a job. I have completed my post graduation, and nowadays I'm improving my communication skills and improving my English speaking skills too.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Your hobbies and what is your major goal? What do you aspire to be?
Okay. So, yes, my hobbies are cooking and reading. Nowadays, I'm reading non-fictional novels.
Okay.
And yes, right now, my um, most important goal is to learn this language and be a fluent speaker.
Okay. Nice, nice. So you are into reading that to non-fictional.
Yes,
So
nowadays I started just.
okay. So if I ask you any book which helped you to change the perspective, your perspective towards life or anything. So can you tell me name of any book?
I think in non-fictional book,
Hmm. Is there
I
any
think
book that you think?
yes, I have read a book. Sorry, you are not my type. Okay, it is
Oh.
quite means it is based on friendship and romance too, but more it is based on friendship. But a
Okay.
friend of a girl betrayed her in this story, in this novel.
Mhm.
So sometime it happens that we actually feel someone that he is our enemy, but he is not actually our enemy, but our friends are our enemy, who is always with us. Yes, I learned that thing with that book from that.
Okay, okay, okay. Fine. And you are between jobs, as you just mentioned. So I guess that is the main purpose. Maybe you are focusing on your communication skills, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because
Right.
job finding, I mean, to when you are searching for a job, it's all about cracking interviews.
Yes,
And
right.
when it comes to interview, it's all about presenting yourself nicely, and
Right.
the language must be English. If you use English language, I guess it
Chances
accentuate
are,
your
yes.
personality as a whole. Nice, nice. So, how did it come to you? I mean, for how long have you been conducting these kind of sessions? And what is the improvement? Can you see any evident improvement in your personality or speaking skills?
Actually, ma'am, I have just started to have
Okay.
conversation with people. I think it's been 3 or 4 days only.
Oh,
So
okay.
yes, right. So
Fine, fine.
yes.
And how did it come to your mind that I should go for these interactions?
Actually, I used to watch many conversational videos on YouTube, but
Okay.
whenever I thought about having conversation with people, I get nervous. I
Mm-hmm.
got nervous and hesitated. So I
Mm-hmm.
didn't connect with people. But now, last 3 or 4 days back, I connected with Meenu ma'am, and he told me that the best way to remove this hesitation or nervousness is to connect with people more and more.
Yeah,
Only then you will remove that hesitation or
true.
nervousness. So that's why I made my mind that I should connect with people more and more. Yes.
Mm. I mean, this is the only way where
Right.
you can have these real-time interactions, and actually you can see whether you are able to present yourself, whether you are able to exude your confidence the way you want to, right? So this is very nice, and you know what? Gradually you will see a drastic change
Yes,
in
right.
your communication skill and the confidence as well. Okay. So, do you want to discuss any topic, or do you want to ask any questions?
Okay. So, ma'am, I want to ask you something that what do you think that being shy or being an introvert is the same thing or both of these are different?
Okay. Uh, See, we can relate these two things, but it's not
Mhm.
always mandatory that if you are introvert, it means you are a shy person. Okay, and if you are a shy person, it is not always that you are supposed to be an introvert. I am an introvert person, but I am not shy at all, to be very honest, right? Because
Yes.
introvert people are those who really don't want many people around them. Actually, I love to be in my shell, to be very honest. I don't want so many people around me. But I'm not shy at all.
Okay.
When it comes to present myself, I can present myself nicely. Okay, I guess shyness is a characteristic of your personality. Okay, it's not. It is just a part of your personality. You can't say that it defines you as a person. We can say, okay, that person is an introvert. He is or she is an extrovert. है ना? So
Yes.
it shows their personality, the kind of person they are. But shyness is a trait of your personality. Okay,
Over
so
time, we
that
can
is
change
it.
that. Yes.
Yes, of course, of course.
Okay.
So you need to find those situations where when you feel shy and face
Okay.
those situations. That's it.
Yes.
You will overcome it.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
So,
Yes.
are you from Himachal Pradesh?
Yes.
Okay. So, what is the famous food of there of Himachal?
Oh, when you think about or talk about Himachal cuisine, it's full of variety, flavors, and whatnot. Earlier,
I
I
heard
wasn't
about
aware of.
Siddu.
Hmm. Yes,
I
yes,
heard
actually.
about Siddu. Siddu or Siddu. I don't know how
Siddu,
to
Siddu,
pronounce it.
and
Yes.
you will be amazed. I never had Siddu in my life. I mean, I never taste it actually, because actually it I would say that it came in highlight after social media's exposure,
Yes.
right? Since so many
Yes. It is
YouTubers now,
highlighting
we can see.
everywhere.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes. So that is it. So many YouTubers, Himachali YouTubers are on social media from every part of Himachal. Beena, in terms of language, in terms of food, lifestyle, culture, Himachal, I would say, is a true paradigm of variety. Okay,
Yes.
you will see a change in language district wise. We have our
Yes.
dialects,
It happens. Yes.
Hamirpuri, Mandyali, Kangdi. Okay, and Sidhu comes later. First, Himachali Dham is quite famous. So
It is a
Himachali
fusion
Dham.
food.
Yes, Himachali Dham is a collection of different food items, and when we have function, let's say marriage, during marriage, these kind of events, we go for Himachali
Mhm.
Dham. It's that chawal and lot of other dishes, maa ki dal, khatta, meetha, lot of different kinds of madra and different kinds of khatta also. So collectively, we call it dham, and every district has its own dham. So
Okay.
I believe Kangdi Dham, Mandyali Dham, Palampuri Dham, these are quite famous in Himachal. So you will see a change in terms of dresses, attires, dialects, and food also. I belong to district Kangra, but
Okay.
my maternal place is in district. It is nearby district Una. So my lifestyle is quite similar with little bit of Punjab because
Okay.
Una shares a boundary with Punjab, right? But if I talk about my in-laws, it's all about completely pure Pahari culture.
Okay.
So it's you will see a variety. It's full of variety and flavors.
Okay. So, is there any place called Nagarkot in Himachal Pradesh?
Nagarkot.
Nagarkot only.
Nagarkot. Yes, so
That's
it
why
is
I was
actually,
asking.
yes, it is a town in Kangra. That's why I heard because when I was preparing for my Himachal Pradesh teacher eligibility test, then
Okay.
I read it somewhere. Nagarkot was I guess maybe it is the first name or older name of Kangra. I'm not sure. Right?
Okay.
Yes, yes. Because Himachal is all about lot of kings and their kingdoms, and now names actually have been
Yes,
changed
it
with that
happens.
passage of time. Yes,
It is
yes.
big
So
stage.
that is it. Okay. So in a way, we are connected.
We are
Still,
relatives somehow.
yes.
Yes.
And the thing is, you belong to Uttarakhand, so we are Pahadi.
Yes.
After all, we are
Yes.
Pahadi.
Right.
So that vibe matches.
Yes. So
Okay.
there are also Negi or Rawat. Best
Yes.
these kind of casts too.
हाँ हाँ नेगी रावत तो आई can't tell you but नेगी from district Kinnaur. It's upper part of Himachal. So yes, I have heard Negi. I have a student who has this surname Negi, and she's from district Kinnaur. I have two to three students, and they all have the same surname Negi. There should be
Okay.
Rawat also, maybe honge.
Yes. Okay. So,
Right. Okay,
so
so
if
you are.
there is,
I mean, it's. I am feeling that I am having any general knowledge class with, but
sorry,
very
I
nice.
was little
This
curious.
is this is.
That's
Huh,
why I asked.
actually, this is something out of the routine stuff, and I am enjoying it. So yes.
Yes. Actually, my grandmother always used to say this that our ancestor came from there, but I didn't
Mhm.
believe on them that maybe they are just heard this thing somewhere and they are repeating the
Mhm.
same thing to us. That's
Mhm.
why I asked you.
Okay, no, if they are saying so, there would be any logic behind it. And yes, Negi, there is district in district Innor, I guess most of people they use this surname Negi.
Okay, okay. So, ma'am, if there is only one thing which you can suggest a person who want to be fluent in this language, in English language, what will be that thing? Only one thing you have to
Believe
suggest.
in yourself. That's it. You have to believe in yourself. Okay. So I never say that to go for reading, writing, and all these things. First of all, you need to believe in yourself that I can do this. This is going to take time, but I'll do this. Okay, that's what I did, and that's why I'm sitting here.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's not only about learning this language. If you want to achieve anything in your life, you have to
Right.
believe in yourself.
Really.
Then only you can achieve that.
Yes. Thank you.
And you are
So,
doing great. You are doing great. You're speaking well. Okay. Actually, you have just started. So give yourself this exposure. Have more and more sessions without judging yourself. Okay. And you will see how you are improving day by day. One thing I can suggest you when you approach
mhm,
someone, try to actually you are asking a lot of good questions. Okay, but
mhm.
now we have to turn the table. I mean, you need more exposure. So what can you do?
Okay.
You can go with the topic.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
prepare that topic in advance and
Okay.
then ask that person that ma'am or sir, I want to discuss this very topic with you,
Okay.
and try to use certain new vocabulary words, one or two,
Okay, ma'am. For
in
sure.
that interaction. Okay, in this way you will get a chance to explore yourself.
Right.
Okay,
Okay.
so hmm.
Actually, right now I'm considering myself as a beginner, so I'm not that much comfortable with the topic.
Mhm.
That's why I
Mhm.
have chosen two or three questions which I can ask.
Mhm.
That's why.
But see, topics, I'm not talking about very difficult topics related with politics or economic growth and so on.
Yes.
Friendship,
Yes.
family. Friendship, you can ask people, do you have real friends or do you believe that true friendship exists these days? How would you define friendship? है ना? In my
Yes,
words,
right.
I mean, this is the definition of friendship as per my opinion. But I want to get your point also. How would you define friendship? And little bit about positive thinking. These are very handy topics which anyone
Yes,
can
ma'am.
speak. Okay, this will give, I guess, correct direction to your learning, right?
Okay, ma'am.
So sometimes go for random questions, sometimes go for these kind of topics.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Next time I will try. I will do
Hmm.
it. Okay.
I
Yes.
don't believe in next time. Just do it now only. So let me ask you a few questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Sure. Yes.
Okay. So tell me, do you have friends?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And can you rely on them completely?
I think in that terms, I can say that my mother is my best friend and my sister,
Okay.
and I can
Hmm.
rely on them only. And there is one male. He is not my brother, actually, not means not my brother by blood, but yes, I can rely him completely. And he was my first friend in the beginning, but now I consider
Okay.
him as a brother, so I can rely him on. Yes.
Okay. Nice, nice, true. And if you want to say that I I have a best friend and I can completely rely on them. We share all the secrets. Okay, we share all the secrets with each
Yes.
other. So if you have such kind of friend, simply you can say, yes, I have a friend and we are thick as thieves. We
Okay.
are thick as thieves. So simply you just explain each and everything. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So very nice,
So,
nicely explained.
so
If
can I say
Mhm.
my me and my mother are as thick
Of
as thieves?
course, right, of course, yes. My sister and I, we are two peas,
As
like two peas in a pod. Two peas
okay.
in a pod means same. We have similar likes, similar dislikes. So we
Yes.
are like two peas in a pod. We are thick as thieves. We share each and everything with each other. So that's how we can add certain
Okay.
advanced
Okay.
expressions, but to some limit. I mean, don't go for a lot of expressions in the beginning. First,
Okay.
be comfortable with these, then you can try some more. Okay, in this way.
Okay.
Okay, so what is success for you? If I ask you, how would you define success?
Okay. So success for me is, if I would say that, first I need to make my parents proud on myself. This is the real success for me, that he'll feel proud on me, and
Mm-hmm.
to satisfy myself
Ah,
that
okay.
I'm doing
Okay.
something good in my life.
Hmm.
It can be
Okay.
maybe, which I think that success is, maybe this is very little for others, but if
Hmm.
I am satisfied with myself, that's success for me.
True. Very nice. Very well explained. You want to make your parents proud of you, right?
Yes.
I guess they should already proud of you because the kind of person you are, very subtle and sorted. So nice. Yes, success. I mean, the meaning of success differs person to person. Yeah, let's
Yes.
say someone wants to shed some weight. So if that person is able to shed his weight, that is success for him, right?
Yes. Right.
So for me, I was planning this session. So if it goes the way I want, that is success for me. Okay,
Right.
so yes, and the main thing is you should have that sense of contentment or gratification that okay,
Yes.
whatever I am doing, I'm happy with that. That should be this realization should be there.
Yes.
Okay, so I think we are getting more philosophical, right?
Right.
So
Yes.
what will you do after this session? Have you scheduled any more sessions?
No, ma'am, not right now. I will have my
Okay.
breakfast first, as I have
Oh,
skipped that because of these two sessions. Yes.
okay, okay,
I drank this
fine.
tea and have peanuts. Yes.
Okay, so I would suggest you, I have your WhatsApp number. Recently, I have created one WhatsApp group, okay, and it's all
Okay.
about those. It's first of all, it's exclusively for women. Second thing,
Okay.
it's all about those people who are sincere and who are determined towards learning. Okay,
Yes.
so you just have to pay rupees 100. This is a token amount, 100.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
because I believe that there is no such thing as free lunch. Okay,
Yes. Mm,
so
it's
right?
okay. It's completely
Yes,
okay.
yes.
Yes.
So, because sometimes I have to explain why I pick this much of amount. It's just a token of your commitment. Okay,
Yes.
that you are
Right.
going to, you will take that group seriously. I tell you, in 1 week, you will message me, ma'am, I am improving without any limit now. Okay, so I'll assure you that because every person is a gem in that group. I have some very nice mentors in that group who are
Okay.
already at that level, who are who are eloquent and proficient speakers. So
Okay.
I'll add you to that group. Enjoy your
Okay.
sessions, okay, there, and practice because I can see the caliber and potential in you. And when I will have next session with you, then I'm going to see that
Okay.
change. Okay?
Okay. Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Okay, then now you have your breakfast. It's not
Oh,
good to speak your breakfast, okay? So have it now.
okay.
Enjoy your day. I see you in that group.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you
Mm.
so much.
Okay then. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye.